How to see subscribers on YouTube. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily see your subscribers on YouTube. So let's get started. So first thing, just head over to youtube.com and make sure you're currently logged into your account. And once you successfully log into your account, you just need to click on your profile icon at the top right corner of your navigation bar and simply head over to your YouTube Studio option over here. So you can also do so by simply tapping on the viewer channel and then selecting the channel dashboard or YouTube Studio from the left section. So once inside here, as you can see, currently I don't have any subscribers, so there is no card which says the recent subscribers. So as you can see, as you might have noticed, there are four different cards currently available on my channel. So you can see this is one card and this is another, likewise this is another, and similarly in that way you will see another card over here, right around here, which says recent subscribers. So you can basically tap on that and view all of your recent subscribers, and you can even set the filter by the list by date range, example lifetime or 7 days or 90 days, and sort by date, subscribed or subscriber count. So in this case, as you can see, as you might see that there are recent subscribers for my channel over here, so you can basically see all of those just like that in your case as well. So that's it for today guys, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, see you on the next one.